G'day everyone and welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is April 21, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. Not much has changed from yesterday. We had a bit of a spike yesterday with this on the hourly, but then it dropped off and it sort of stabilized in the last few hours. I'll go through each of these, but basically on the daily we're still in a pretty strong downtrend. On the 4 hour we're broken to the uptrend on the CCI 1500 with a moving average 400, and on the hourly we're also in an uptrend as well, but just be cautious about that uptrend. Let me discuss each of these. On the daily, first off, on the CCI, we can see there we're in a downtrend, and for those new to the channel, we do follow the CCI 1500 with a moving average 400 as a primary indicator as opposed to the moving average 200. That generally gives us a better indication of trend direction and getting in and out early in terms of the trend direction. But I've also got these resistance at 30.50. That's a key resistance area, and a key support at 20.64. And I've also got these diagonal descending and ascending trend line. You can see there if I zoom out, that ascending, it's very minor, but in terms of gradient, but it's a ascending line, and it's above that at the moment, very close to this support line. So you can see there, it did bounce up to that resistance area near the 23% Fibonacci retracement between that high and that low, and it's been sort of hovering around that support area for some time now. On the 4 hour chart, a bit more to say about this one. We've got, again, the CCI moving average is turned up, but that's basically in response to this divergence, this bullish divergence on the CCI, and it's still climbing. You can see there was a bearish divergence on the price chart, and you can see there the CCI kept going up and the price eventually started breaking to the upside. It doesn't mean it's going to be a trend reversal longer term. It just could mean it traces up for a short period and comes back down again. We'll know that as soon as that starts failing, we'll know the price move to the upside is starting to fail as well. So as soon as we see the CCI starting to break to the downside, that's when we look at potentially moving the price movement to the downside. At the moment, it's still ever so slightly trending upwards as per the CCI, and that's a good sign in terms of bullishness, but just be aware of that. But we need to see it, to be more confident about going long, we need to see a break above this resistance area, but ultimately we always look at the 61% Fibonacci retracement level, and that's the Fibonacci retracement from that high to that low. On the hour chart, again, it's broken to the upside in accordance with the 4 hour chart, and again I've drawn that Fibonacci retracement there. So really not much more to say to that. There is some light at the end of the tunnel, but again we need to see that more convincingly on the daily chart to be more positive about long positions. You can see there we've dropped off quite a bit, and it's quite a way down from the moving average on the CCI. So primarily short positions. If you want to take long positions, it's a bit risky, but I wouldn't be doing it, but that's just it depends on your risk appetite. So if you understand how to properly trade using the average down approach, reference the links in the description below. Subscribe and like us on Patreon to support us more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.